On December 9, 1941, 2 days after the bombing of Pearl Harbor, construction began on what would be one of two sprawling explosives manufacturing plants in Pennsylvania. Here near the tiny town of Geneva, along the banks of the state's largest natural wetland, was the 14,000-acre Keystone Ordnance Works. Built by Fraser Brace Manufacturing under contract to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, this $45 million plant manufactured flake TNT, a highly versatile explosive used throughout the war. The plant began producing TNT by September of 1942, and at its height it employed more than 2,500 people. The government advertised as far away as Pittsburgh to acquire the workforce that would be needed to run the plant, and buses provided transportation for workers to their new jobs from neighboring cities. But by January of 1944, with the war winding down, Keystone Ordnance and other similar facilities had produced so much TNT that there was enough surplus that production ceased entirely, and the plant closed forever just a little more than a year after production began. What remains 80 years later is just a remnant of what once was. A few buildings, foundations, and the water towers that supplied millions of gallons of water required to make the product. Rows upon rows of magazines built into the ground were used for storage of the TNT. Some of those 100 structures still remain, and some have been repurposed as storage buildings, workshops, and even homes for local families.